like it.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel, man. For those of you who don't know me, my name's Eric. Thanks for tuning in. For those of you who are returning and watching me, I really appreciate you guys coming back, man. So I got an update for you guys today. My Mustang is washed, and that's the update. Nah, my Mustang is washed, and I'm gonna start from the rear as usual. But first, we got right here my good friend and neighbor, lives right there. So every time he sees me work on the car, he comes right out. This is Wayne, also known as El Wayno.
El Bueno.
All right, guys, just to get back right to it. So you guys all know that I was working on a kill switch, you know, because I need it for future competitions. It's right here. Bang. I cleaned it up, tightened it up, put this heat wrap here, the heat shrink here. What do you call it? What is that? What is that called technically? Like a heat shrink? Something like that, right?
Heat shrink.
Right. Got that there, nice and protected. I got this big old connection here. I should probably eventually cover that up too. But anyway, yeah, it's cool. Remember that, guys. That wired up. I got my nitrous here, straight here. I got my. This goes to my starter. That goes to my alternator. Battery box looking nice and tight, nice and clean. I finally got my vent tube here. That's in there. And if you guys remember from last video, this stick right here was literally poking cars. It was so long. It was literally like right here. Not even to exaggerate. It extended all the way right here. So I cut it up a little bit, put it about right here, still accessible. So just in case something does happen, right? You can just come and bam, you can kick it in, push off. So you got to push it to turn off, and it cuts all the power, right? Oh yeah, so check this out. I even made like a little aluminum finish bracket right there. Looks pretty cool, kind of giving more of a little race look. That's the kill switch. Going into the cab, kind of cleaned it up a little bit. Eventually, I was gonna run no quarter panels or nothing, but I got too many things going on. I got my air suspension on this side here, all mounted here. I got my nitrous system over there, gets powered through there. So I just put all my panels back on. It looks a lot more cleaner, a lot more of a good look. Eventually, I'm gonna do aluminum console here. I'm gonna start working on that probably next week. Oh yeah, and what's coming in is a few things. You guys already know my trans brake's coming in. I'm still waiting on JMS to send that. As usual, everything's always on back order, but that's coming in. That should help me bring down that 60 foot. I ordered a race seat, so I got an aluminum seat. That's gonna be switched out, so that's gonna save me some weight there. What else did I say was coming in? Oh, I got some headers. Yeah, I got some headers coming in. Finally going to headers after years. Finally going to that. Hopefully that kind of helps me out a little bit. Get rid of everything, make it more of a free flow. And once I get those and I get those installed, I'm going back to Lund. We're gonna kind of retune it, make sure everything is nice and tight. For the main reason I'm going back is to kind of go up a smidge on the nitrous. With all that, with the trans brake, putting in some fresh Hoosiers back here with new tune with the headers and the nitrous just a bit up. It should, and the little bit of weight reduction that I did, I don't see why I shouldn't be. I would say like a good 6'8". I don't know, hopefully. Been talking to a few guys with one guy reached out to me, said that his brother had a similar setup like that. I forgot your man, I'm gonna look up here. I'm gonna try to put it in the description of who that guy was. I just forgot your name, but he's saying that his brother was running a 6.8 with a very similar setup that I got. So I'm really excited to hear that. Those are some cool words to hear. But other than that, man, that's pretty much the update right here with the Mustang. What's going on so far, at least in the near future. Oh, and next video, or pretty soon, guys, stay tuned, man, because I'm gonna be doing a little, I guess, a collab with one of my buddies. We're gonna be giving away some tire letters. For those of you who don't know, I install these tire letters here, and a good friend of mine makes them. So I'm gonna be giving those away. So I'll give you obviously all the details. I don't know if next video, but very, very soon, man. So you guys stay tuned. Thank you for tuning in. I appreciate you guys for for watching me. And say later, Wayne. Wayne. All right, guys. Take care.